Modokawa! It came. So exciting. Although, there are some interesting things about this. That's an iron-on patch. It's not ironed on into anything. It's gonna be fun with the tassel. Okay. Yeah, these are iron-on. Oh, they didn't remove the iron-on peel. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to do that. Okay. What is that? Interesting. That's quite large. So in the picture, this is the strap, and I think this goes around your neck. It looks pretty big, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try the bottoms first, because in the picture, you stuff the top into the bottoms. Okay, so I got stuck in one side, and you might say, what do you mean one side? It's a skirt, right? Well, yes, but no. The inside lining, you see, they decided to stitch it into pants, so it's like a jort, except it's not a jort because this is the lining. So when I tried to put it on, I went through just the one side and got stuck. So we'll try that again. Okay, so, interesting things. The top. It's very big, you know? It's very roomy, that's great. For some reason, the skirt, short jort thing, does not go anywhere near your hip. It goes like, you have to pull it all the way up, like almost under your, your dumplings up here. Or it will not fit at all. It's like the skirt is 1 or 2 sizes smaller than the top. Not sure why, and by doing that I cover up a lot of this pretty embroidery if it's tucked in, so that's unfortunate. So the side, it's supposed to go off the shoulder like so. Here, I'll, yeah. But you might notice this is, I checked the picture because at first I didn't know exactly what this was supposed to be, and it's literally supposed to be like so on your neck, which is an interesting design. It's nice. It's stretchy, and I get that they wanted to make it a little bit bigger so it's loose on the neck, but it's a lot bigger. It's almost the same length as the opening for the shirt, which, yeah. And the tassel is quite tangled, so there weren't any washing instructions. This is cotton, but, you know, tassel. I would imagine that they'd want you to do this by hand, maybe? And also the iron-on bits that were on the skirt, there's a couple pieces that are left on the inside here, too. So, overall, I think I'm just going to remove this, and we'll see what it looks like, yeah? Alright, so overall, the stitching on this is not so great. This little attachment was actually one of the best stitching parts of the outfit. Jeez. And the opening is not quite the size that it indicates. So there's a bit of a sizing issue with this. However, in general, the top fits pretty well, according to the size measurements that they give you, and the bottom is just going to be a lot tighter than it needs to be, and it'll ride a lot higher up on you. So, for instance, if you lift a leg, it's a real short skirt. So this is from Modokawa. Personally, I think that the design itself was actually a good idea. However, it seems that this was probably a rushed job, maybe in a factory. So I don't think I'll be buying things from them again, because this, the quality, honestly, is kind of like a Halloween costume. So that is my review of Modokawa. Oh, also, it took like 75 days for my order to arrive. Yep. Anyways, toodles.